What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So this will be a very small video because the OnePlus launcher have got some minor update and one of them is very useful. I personally liked it a lot. To compare here I have two devices. Towards the left hand side we have OnePlus 15 and towards the right hand side we have OnePlus 13. We'll install it on OnePlus 13 and guys, if you're trying to install it on your OnePlus smartphones, make sure your device is running OxygenOS 16. Do not install it on OxygenOS 15. First of all, let me show you the version on both the devices. So here you can see on OnePlus 15 we are running 16.6.14 version. On OnePlus 13, we have version which is 16.6.1 and this is the latest version, the APK which we have, which is 16.6.17. You can see there is not much of difference, but yes, some changes have been done and one useful feature have also been added. So if you wish to install, just download the APK from the description below and update your OnePlus stock launcher. I'll update here on my OnePlus 13. Once updated, you can go back to the home screen. Now if you see the version, it's 16.6.17. Guys, this APK have been extracted from ColorOS. So you'll miss out on one feature and that's the add-on of Google search bar on the home screen, which we see on OnePlus Smart. Let me show you in the launcher settings. So here you can see this feature got removed, which is quick search box, where we could add the Google's quick search box towards the bottom of the screen. So this will be automatically removed from the launcher because it's extracted from ColorOS. But you'll get few new things, like if you go to widgets, here you'll have a proper segregation of widgets, though it's currently written in Chinese because it was extracted from ColorOS. So here you have on the starting all the widgets. On OxygenOS, if you take a look at the widgets, everything is in the same window. But here on this latest version of launcher, we have an option of all widgets featured, which includes the AI suggest, steps today, current weather, battery level, clock, and after that we have IR Blaster widget, battery level, and at last OnePlus clock widgets. So this is one change what you'll see, and the second change inside the launcher itself. So if I slide down, you can see there's a new feature called pinch out with two fingers on the home screen to clear notification badges. And if you also see the description, it says pinch out with two fingers on the home screen to clear all app notification badges. This won't affect the display of notifications. So here let me see if I have a notification badge. Here you can see we have it for app market. What I'll do, I'll add this application here on the home screen. So I've added the application on the home screen. I'll enable this feature. Now here if I show you an example, you can see 10 notifications we have. I'll use the pinch out gesture now. So you guys can see these notifications will disappear. And there we go. Notification badges clear. So this is a very useful thing what they have added, and it doesn't affect your actual notifications present on the notification panel. And another improvement what I noticed, and that's related to organizing of the home screen. On the previous build of launcher, it's slightly on the slower side, but here it's quite fast. So let me tap on buy colors at the same time. You can see there's a slight difference in the speed, and the same way if I tap it on buy category, you'll see slight better speed here on the latest version of launcher. And also if you see, the pop-up box is slightly bigger in size and also towards the bottom side if you compare it with the previous one. This is another change what you'll notice. Now talking about few more changes, and one of them is in the layout. So with this latest build of launcher, you'll get the layout 5x6 and 5x7 category. Previously we had only 4 columns and 5 columns. After that, few more changes what you'll see by going to settings of launcher. Under gestures, previously we had only 2 options. Now they have added multiple options. So if you see, previously we had options like icon pull down, which is still there, and swipe up on the home screen, that is also there. But things like double tap, empty space to lock the screen, and this new thing have been added, and which were previously towards the bottom side. So this have been moved here. After that, if you go to lock screen setting, here also if you see under quick gestures, they have added this double tap to turn screen on or off. Moved from the bottom side and added under quick gesture. So guys, these are the only changes with the latest build of launcher. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying